हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका यूनिवर्सिटी एकेडमी यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे मैग्नेटिकली कपल सर्किट के क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपको इस टॉपिक के हैंड रिटन नोट्स चाहिए तो जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है, आप वहां से जाके डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। एंड वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is, for the circuit given below, current I1 it is 4 sine of 2t and I2 current is 0. It means secondary side का जो current है वो 0 है. So if current is 0, it means the secondary side is open circuited and I1 current value is 4 sine 2t. So we have to find out the value of V1. So V1 is the voltage at this primary side. Okay, so for that we will apply the KVL in this loop. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो primary कॉइल है एंड सेकेंडरी कॉइल दे आर म्यूचुअली कपल्ड. ओके, एंड जो म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस की जो वैल्यू है दैट इज एम, इट इज गिवन 1 हेनरी. एंड प्राइमरी साइड जो कॉइल है दैट इज L1 वैल्यू इज 2 हेनरी एंड L2 वैल्यू इज 1 हेनरी. So if we apply the KVL at the input loop or primary side, then this V1 voltage it will be equal to the voltage across this inductive coil, that is L1 into di1 by dt, and also the voltage or EMF will be introduced on the primary side because of the current flowing in the secondary side. Okay, so mutual inductance की वजह से क्या है, primary side voltage induce होगी and value it will be given by m into d of I2 by dt. So as in the question it is given that I2 value is 0. So as I2 current is 0, this implies that उसका जो derivative है that is d of I2 by dt, it will also equal to 0. So d of I2 by dt it will be equal to 0. So we are getting V1 value it will be equal to L1 into d of I1 by dt. So L1 value is given, that is 2 Henry, and d by dt of what is I1 current. I1 is 4 into sine of 2t. So we can differentiate this. So this 2 into 4 it will be equal to 8, and derivative of sine 2t is cos of 2t, and again derivative of 2t is 2. So this will give 16 into cos of 2t and unit is volt. So this matching with option B. Okay, so now let us see next question. This is linked with the previous question. Now here we have to find out V2. Okay, so again same circuit is given. Now V2 calculate करने के लिए we will apply the KVL in the output loop. Okay, so if we apply the KVL, then we are getting the V2 value, it will be equal to L2, and current flowing through this L2 is d of I2 by dt, and also because of the current flowing in the primary winding, additional voltage will be introduced on the secondary coil. So if we apply the KVL on the secondary side, then this V2 voltage it will be given by m into d of I1 by dt. Okay, then we have L2 into d of I2 by dt. So this is dt. Okay, so as in the question it is given that I2 current is 0. So I2 current is 0, so because of that this term it will become 0. So voltage V2 it is simply equal to m into d of I1 by dt. Okay, so mutual inductance value in this question is 1 Henry. Okay, and I1 current is 4 into sine of 2t. So m value is 1. So this is 1 into d by dt of I1 current is 4 into sine of 2t. So हम इसको क्या है differentiate करेंगे. Now this will be equal to 4. Derivative of sine 2t is cos of 2t into 2. So this will be equal to 8 into cos of 2t. Unit is volt. So option C is correct. Now let us see next question. Now in this question we have to calculate the value of L equivalent. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि 3 coils given है and they are mutually coupled with respect to each other. So this is 1 Henry, it is L1 value, this is 2 Henry, so this is L2 and this is L3. So यहाँ पे क्या है, ये जो first coil है L1 and L2 they are mutually coupled and value of the mutual inductance is 1 Henry, and also second coil that is L2 and L3 is also mutually coupled and value of mutual inductance is 2 Henry. सो सिर्फ टू कपलिंग ही गिवन है, दैट इज फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड कॉइल कपल्ड है आपस में, एंड सेकंड एंड थर्ड कॉइल है, देयर इज नो कपलिंग बिटवीन फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड कॉइल. Okay, so it means we can see that M13 value, it will be equal to 0 because they are not mutually coupled. So we know that this self inductance formula, it will be given by L1 plus L2 plus L3. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो कॉइल्स है वो सीरीज में कनेक्टेड हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सी दैट दिस L1 एंड L2 कॉइल, इनके बीच में जो कपलिंग है वो सपोर्टिंग नेचर है या अपोजिंग नेचर का है. सो इफ यू मार्क द करंट I1, ओके, so let us mark current I. So for the first coil L1, current is entering into this dotted terminal. Okay, so dotted या rectangular किसी से भी represent कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट कॉइल में जो करंट एंटर हो रहा है वो डॉटेड टर्मिनल पे हो रहा है. सिमिलरली सेकंड कॉइल में जो करंट एंटर है वो अगेन डॉटेड टर्मिनल पे. तो दोनों में सेम नेचर पे मीन्स द करंट इज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम द डॉटेड टर्मिनल इन बोथ द कॉइल. तो इट मीन्स सपोर्टिंग नेचर का है. तो इफ सपोर्टिंग नेचर देन वी विल राइट प्लस टू इंटू एम. सो एम इज अ म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस बिटवीन द फर्स्ट एंड द सेकेंड कॉइल. सिमिलरली देयर इज कपलिंग बिटवीन सेकेंड एंड थर्ड कॉइल. सो सेकेंड एंड थर्ड कॉइल में इफ वी सी, सो सेकेंड कॉइल का जो डॉट है वो later on है. It means current is entering into undotted terminal and leaving from dotted terminal, but in L3 current is entering into the dotted terminal first. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है L3 में क्या है dotted terminal पे first enter हो रहा है, but L2 के लिए क्या है वो undotted terminal से enter हो रहा है. So यहाँ पे क्या है opposite configuration है. So that is why we will write minus of 2 into M, and mutual inductance is between second and third coil. Okay, so this L1 value, this is 1, L2 value is 2 Henry, and L3 value is 3, plus 2 into what is M12. So mutual inductance between first and second coil is 1 Henry, minus of 2, M23 value, this is 2 Henry. Okay, so we can simplify, this is 6 plus 2 minus of 4, so simply this will be equal to 4 Henry. Okay, so this is L equivalent, so option D is correct. Now next question is, in the circuit shown in the figure, if the current I1, it is equal to 5 cos of 500t minus of 20 degree milliampere, and I2 current is 20 into cos of 500t minus of 20 degree milliampere, the total energy stored in the system at t is equal to 0. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि हमें एनर्जी कैलकुलेट करनी है कितनी स्टोर हो रही है सिस्टम में एट t इज इक्वल टू 0 इंस्टेंट. सो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी कॉइल है दे आर कपल्ड, बट यहाँ पे क्या है k value is given, so k is 0.6. so k, I have told that it is coefficient of coupling and its value is 0.6. so directly यहाँ पे mutual inductance की value नहीं given है, they have given k value. Okay, so in this case we have to find out the energy stored. So the total energy stored in the system, it will be given by energy stored in the first coil, so it will be given by, that is energy stored in the inductor is given by half of L into I square. तो वो वाला formula हम यहाँ पे use करेंगे, that is half of L1 into I1 square. Okay, then energy stored in the secondary coil, it will be given by half of L2, current flowing is I2 square. Similarly the mutual inductance, it will also store the energy, and it is because of the current I1 and I2. So now we have to calculate this m value first. Okay, so यहाँ पे we have to calculate this m value because it is not given directly in the question. So we know that the relation between self inductance and mutual inductance, it is given by m is equal to k into square root of L1 into L2. So this m, it is equal to, k value given is 0.6 and L1 value is 2.5 and L2 value is 0.4. so this will be equal to 0.6 and 2.5 into 0.4, this is 1. So mutual inductance value we are getting 0.6 Henry. So now we have to calculate the energy at t is equal to 0. So for that we will substitute t is equal to 0. So we will substitute t is equal to 0 in I1 and I2 expression. Okay, so if we put t is equal to 0, then I1 current, it will become 5 into cos of minus 20 degree milliampere, and cos of minus theta, it is equal to cos theta. Okay, this is one relation, so we will use this relation. So now let us substitute the value of L1 I1 square, all these values we will substitute in equation 1. So we are getting the energy stored, it is given by half of L1 value. So L1 is 2.5. Okay, so L1 is 2.5 into I1 square. So current is I1 current is 5 into cos of minus 20 into milliampere. So this will be equal to, this is 5 into cos of minus 20, it will be equal to cos of 20 degree, and milliampere let me write also. So this is in milliampere and whole square. Okay, then we have half of L2. So L2 value is 0.4 and I2 current is 20 into cos of t value will be 0, so this is 20 into cos of 20 degree milliampere. Okay, so this will be equal to half of L2 value is 0.4 and I2 current it is 20 into cos of 20 degree milliampere whole square. Then we have m into I1 I2, so m value we have obtained 0.6. Okay, so m value is 0.6 and I1 and I2 current at t is equal to 0 we already know, so this will be equal to 0.6 into I1 current is 5 into cos of 20 degree milliampere into I2 current is 20 into cos of 20 degree in the milliampere. So now let us simplify this expression. So it will be equal to half of, this is 2.5, so 5 into cos 20 degree, this will be equal to 0.94 स्क्वायर एंड मिली एम्पियर दैट इज 10 की पावर -3, तो उसको स्क्वायर करेंगे इट विल बी इक्वल टू 10 टू द पावर -6. सिमिलरली दिस विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ 0.4, सो 20 इंटू कॉस ऑफ 20 डिग्री, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 20 square, it will be equal to 400 and cos 20 is 0. This is 0.94 whole square into 10 to the power -6. Then we have 0.6 into 100. So this is 0.6 into 20 into 5 is 100. So cos 20 is 0.94 whole square and this will be 10 की power -3 into 10 की power -3. So this is 10 की power -6. So from here we can take half of, we can take 0.94 whole square into 10 की power -6 we have taken common. So first term से we will be getting this 2.5 into, so I think एक term miss हो गई है यहाँ पे. So this is 5 square. Okay, so this 5 square, it means 25 is missing here. Okay, so this 2.5 into 5 square is 25 into, and cos of 20 is 0.94 whole square. So if we take half of 0.94 square and 10 की power -6 common, then we are getting 2.5 into 25. So this will be equal to 62.5. Then here we will be getting 0.4 into 400. So this is 160, and here we have to multiply it with 2 because there is no half, and this will be equal to 6 into 0.6 into 100, this will be equal to 60. Okay, so we can simplify this. So it will be 151.3, this is 151.3 microjoule you will be getting after simplification. So this is matching with 151 is option A. Okay, so close जो आंसर है वो ऑप्शन A है. Now let us see next question. So now in this question we have to calculate L equivalent value. So यहाँ पे क्या है, दो इंडक्टर है and they are parallelly connected and also they are mutually coupled. So this is a parallel connection and कपलिंग हेयर. सो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो दोनों कॉइल्स आपस में कपल्ड हैं वो सपोर्टिंग नेचर का है, बिकॉज इफ़ यू सी suppose this is total current I and now it is dividing into the two path, that is current flowing in the 6 Henry is suppose I2 and this is I1. so दोनों डॉट में एक साथ करंट एंटर हो रहा है, इट मीन दिस इज सपोर्टिंग और एडिंग नेचर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो कपलिंग है इट इज़ ऑफ सपोर्टिंग और एडिंग नेचर. सो इस केस के लिए मैंने आपको एक फॉर्मूला बताया था जिसमें आप एल इक्विवेलेंट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं ईजिली. इट विल बी गिवन बाय L1 L2 अपॉन L1 प्लस L2, माइनस ऑफ एम स्क्वायर. ओके, सो अगर सपोर्टिंग नेचर है देन यू हैव टू राइट माइनस ऑफ 2 इंटू एम. ओके, सो you have to remember this formula. Now easily you can substitute the value of L1 and L2. So L1 value is 4 Henry, L2 is 6, M value is 4, so this is 4 square divided by 4 plus 6 minus of 2 into 4. So this will be equal to 24 minus of 16 divided by, this is 10 minus of 8. So 24 minus 16 is 8 by 2. So L equivalent we are getting 4 Henry. So option C is correct. Now let us see next question. So again in this question we have to calculate L equivalent, but यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो coupling है दोनों inductors के बीच में वो different है. So again this is parallel connection, but coupling here is opposing nature. So this is opposing. It is also known as differential connection. Okay. कैसे पता लगा कि ये अपोजिंग कनेक्शन है? सो बिकॉज suppose total current is I, now it will divide into the two currents, that is suppose this is current I2 and this is current I1. So L1 में क्या है, first current is entering into the dotted terminal, but for L2 current is entering into undotted terminal. So opposite configuration में current enter कर रहा है, so that is why it is of opposing nature. So in this case L equivalent formula it will be given by L1 L2 upon L1 plus L2 minus of m square. So अगर opposing nature का then you have to write plus 2m. So let us substitute the values of L1, L2 and M. So L value is, L1 is 4, L2 is 2, minus of M square. M value is 2 whole square divided by, this is 4 plus 2 into M value is 2. So this will be equal to 8 minus of 4 divided by, this is 6 plus 4. So we are getting 4 by 10. So L equivalent we are getting 0.4 Henry. So option A is correct. Now next question is the equivalent inductance of a pair of a coupled inductor in the various configuration are. So it means we are having the two coupled inductor. Okay, so first is we are getting 7 Henry after the series adding connection. It means in the first part it is given that both the inductors they are connected in series. Okay, so suppose the inductance of the first coil is L1 and second coil inductance is L2. So now क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि वो सीरीज एडिंग में, तो सीरीज में तो हमने कनेक्ट कर दिया एंड दे आर हैविंग द एडिंग कनेक्शन, इट मीन सपोर्टिंग. सो इट मीन सपोज दिस इज डॉटेड टर्मिनल, सो करंट एंटर कर रहा है फर्स्ट डॉटेड टर्मिनल पे, सो दिस विल ऑल्सो बी डॉटेड टर्मिनल. सो फॉर दिस केस वी कैन फाइंड आउट एल इक्विवेलेंट. सो एल इक्विवेलेंट इज 7 हेनरी. इट मीन्स इस केस में जो एल इक्विवेलेंट है इट इज गिवन बाय L1 प्लस L2. सो एज इट इज सपोर्टिंग और एडिंग कनेक्शन दिस विल बी इक्वल टू L1 प्लस L2 प्लस 2m एंड इट्स वैल्यू 7 हेनरी. इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. ओके, सो ए पार्ट से हमें ये इक्वेशन हमने डेवलप करी. सिमिलरली वी विल बी यूजिंग द बी पार्ट. In the B part it is given 1.8 Henry after the series opposing connection. So again they are connected in series, but now they are connected in the opposing connection. Okay, so opposing means if suppose यहाँ पे एक dot है, it means current is first entering into the dotted terminal. So L2 के लिए it will be entering the undotted terminal first. So this is opposing connection. So इस केस में क्या है कि जो L equivalent का जो formula होगा it will be given by L1 plus L2 minus of 2m and its value given is 1.8 Henry. So suppose this is equation 2. Similarly, using the third condition, that is C, we can develop one more equation. So it is given 0.5 Henry after the parallel connection with the dotted terminals connected together. Okay, so connected together it means again supporting connection hai. Okay, but they are connected in parallel. So let us draw. So here we are having the two coils. Okay, so these are two coils, they are connected in parallel and now both the dotted dots they are connected together. So like this dot is given. Okay, so यहाँ पे suppose this is L1 and this is L2. So for this case we can find out the L equivalent. It will be given by L1 L2 minus of m square divided by L1 plus L2. So यहाँ पे क्या है, दोनों डॉट एक साथ कनेक्टेड है, इट मीन सपोर्टिंग नेचर का, देन वी हैव टू राइट माइनस ऑफ 2 इंटू एम, एंड फॉर दिस केस एल इक्विवेलेंट वैल्यू इज 0.5 हेनरी इज गिवन. Okay, so this is 0.5. So now we have three variables L1, L2 and M, and we have three equations. So after solving equation 1, 2 and 3, we can easily obtain the value of L1, L2 and M. This is asked in the question. So using equation 1 and 2 we can easily find the value of m, because अगर हम equation 1 में से equation 2 को subtract करें, then this L1 and L2 it will get cancelled out, we will get the values of m. Okay, so now let us use this equation 1 and 2. सो मैंने तीनों इक्वेशंस को एक साथ लिख लिया. नाउ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2. सो इफ़ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2, देन वी आर गेटिंग दिस L1 प्लस L2 प्लस 2m. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ L1 minus of L2. This will be plus 2m, and right hand side we have 7 minus of 1.8. Okay, so it will get cancel out L1 and L2, so we are getting 2m plus 2m, this will be equal to 4m. So 7 minus 1.8, it will be equal to 5.2. so m value we are getting 1.3 Henry. Okay, so mutual inductance हमें मिल गया. Now we will substitute this value in equation 1. So if we substitute this m value in equation 1, then we are getting, so now let us substitute this m value in equation 1. So this will give L1 plus L2 plus 2 into m value is 1.3. This will be equal to 7. So from here we are getting this L1 plus L2. It will be equal to 7 minus of this is 2.6. So it will be equal to 4.4. So suppose this is equation. Now we will substitute this m value in equation 3. So if you see this third equation, then जो इसका denominator है, this is exactly second equation, that is L1 plus L2 minus of 2m, and इसकी value denominator की value हमें पता, that is 1.8. so it means we can say that this L1 into L2 minus of m square, this will be equal to 0.5 into 1.8. so this will give L1 L2 minus of m square, this will be equal to 0.9. so if we substitute m value as 1.3 here, so this is 0.9. so from here we are getting this L1 into L2, this is 0.9 plus 1.3 square, which is 1.69. so this is 2.59. so यहाँ से क्या है, suppose this is equation B. okay, so equation A and equation B, they are two equations having two variable L1 and L2. so equation A and B को we can simplify. so if we take L2 value from here, so this will be equal to 2.59 upon L1. so now we will substitute, so substitute L2 value in equation A. okay, so if we substitute L2 value in equation A, then we are getting, this is L1 plus L2, it is equal to 4.4. so this will be equal to L1 plus L2. L2 value is 2.59 by L1, and this is equal to 4.4. so if we simplify, this will be equal to L1 square minus of 4.4 of L1, this is 2 point, this is plus, okay, this is plus 4.4. okay, this is 4.4 of L1 plus 2.59, this is equal to 0. so now we have obtained a quadratic equation, so we can simplify this quadratic equation. so after simplification of this quadratic equation, we will obtain the two values of L1. one is 3.7 Henry and another will be 0.7 Henry. okay, so if we substitute L1 as 3.7, so as we know that L2 it is equal to 2.59 by L1. so एक बार हम L1 की 3.7 वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल सब्सटीट्यूट L1 as 0.7. so from that we are getting L2 2.59 by 3.7, this will give 0.7 Henry, and if we substitute L1 as 0.7, then we will be getting 3.7. so if you see that in both the cases we are getting the same answer, so it means L1 you will be getting 3.7 Henry, and L2 you will be getting 0.7 Henry, and M value we have obtained as 1.3 Henry. So this is the answer, and this is matching with the option 3.7, and 1.3 is option C. Okay, now the next question is, now we have to calculate L equivalent for this circuit. So again यहाँ पे क्या है, दो इंडक्टर्स गिवन है बट उनके बीच में कपलिंग भी है, and the secondary side of this is short circuited. This is 2 Henry. Okay, so now इस केस में क्या है, first of all we will see that the coupling between the two coil is supporting. Okay, so supporting or aiding connection is given, and in the previous lecture I have told you that if a transformer is given, we can convert that transformer into the T network. So अगर हम इस ट्रांसफार्मर को उसके इक्विवेलेंट टी नेटवर्क से रिप्रेजेंट करें, देन इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. ओके, सो now we have converted this transformer into a T network. Okay, so this is the representation of the transformer, and its secondary side is short circuited. So the value it will be given by, so अगर aiding connection है, then the value this will be equal to M. This is given by L1 minus M, this is given by L2 minus of M. Okay, so if we substitute the values, then we are getting, so after substituting the values, L1 minus M, so L1 this is 4. Okay, so this is L1, this is L2, and this is M, this is L1. So if we substitute, L1 is 4 minus of 2, so this is 2 Henry, M value is also 2 Henry, and L2 is 2 minus of 2, so it means this will be 0 Henry. 0 Henry, it means this is becoming short circuit. Okay, 0 Henry का मतलब क्या है कि ये short circuit हो गया. So if it is becoming short circuit, then our circuit will look like this. So here we are having 2 Henry, this is also 2 Henry, and now this path has become short circuit. Okay, so now this 2 Henry, it is connected in parallel with the short, so it means there will be no voltage drop across this, because entire current will pass through this path. Okay, so it will become insignificant or negligible. So L equivalent value we will be getting as 2 Henry. So option D is correct. Next question is, two coils having the self inductance of 5 millihenry and 10 millihenry and a mutual inductance of 0.5 millihenry in a differential. Differential means they are connected in opposite configuration. Okay, so differential connection is given. We have to calculate the equivalent inductance of the combination. So यहाँ पे क्या है, in this question L1 value is given, that is 5 millihenry. L2 is also given, that is 10 millihenry. Mutual inductance is 0.5 millihenry. Okay, so both these inductances, they are connected in series and they are connected differentially. So अगर इसके लिए डॉट यहाँ पे मीन्स करंट इज एंटरिंग इनटू द डॉटेड टर्मिनल फर्स्ट, सो इसके लिए इट विल बी एंटरिंग द अनडॉटेड टर्मिनल फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज द differential connection is given and mutual inductance values is given. So we have to calculate L equivalent. So L equivalent formula, it will be given by L1 plus L2. So differential connection, so we have to write minus of 2 into M. Okay, so this is differential connection, so this is minus of 2 into M. L1 is 5 plus 10 minus of 2 into 0.5, and this is in millihenry. So this is 15 minus of 1, so it will be equal to 14 millihenry. So option A is correct. Now next question is when the two coupled coils of equal self inductances, it means L1 it is equal to L2 and suppose it is L. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है, equal self inductances है and they are connected in series in one way. The net inductance is 20 millihenry, and when they are connected in the other way, the net inductance is 12 millihenry. It means एक बार अगर हम उन्हें connect करते हैं तो जो net inductance है वो 20 millihenry आ रहा है. It means यहाँ पे क्या है, 20 is greater than 12. It means this will be in the series aiding because this value is greater. Okay, so it means we can say that in the series aiding the L equivalent formula is given by L1 plus L2 plus 2 into M. So because यहाँ पे क्या है प्लस 2m है, so अगर वो सीरीज एयरिंग में तो उसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी, and this is 20 मिली हेनरी. And when they are connected in the other way, value is net inductance value is 12 milli henry, so it means they are connected in the differential configuration. So L1 plus L2 minus of 2 into M, it will be equal to 12 milli henry. Okay, so now we have to calculate the maximum value of the net inductance when they are connected in parallel. So as L1 is equal to L2 is equal to L, so if we substitute here, then we are getting 2L plus 2m, it is equal to 20 milli henry. Suppose this is equation 1. Similarly, if we substitute here, we are getting 2L minus of 2m, it is equal to 12 milli henry. Suppose this is equation 2. So now if we add equation 1 and equation 2, so this will give 4L, it will get cancelled out, so this 4L, it is equal to 32 milli henry. So from here we are getting the value of self inductance as 8 milli henry. It means we are getting L1 is equal to L2, it is equal to L, and this is equal to 8 milli henry. So now we can calculate the value of mutual inductance. So you can use any equation. So suppose if we use this equation, okay, so that is using equation 1. From here we are getting 2m value, it is equal to 20 milli henry minus of 2 into L. L value is 8 milli henry, so this will be equal to 20 minus of 16, that is 4 milli henry. So from here we are getting the mutual inductance value as 2 milli henry. Okay, so now we have calculated the self inductance value, it means L1 L2 की वैल्यू मिल गई, and we have also calculated the mutual inductance value. Now क्वेश्चन में वो पूछ रहा है कि हमें मैक्सिमम वैल्यू चाहिए नेट इंडक्टेंस की when they are connected in parallel. So now if they are connected in parallel, so दो configurations possible हैं. Okay, so now if they are connected in parallel, so two configurations are possible. First is they are connected in aiding or supporting configuration, and next possible configuration is that they are connected in opposing or differential connection. ओके, सो हमें चेक करना है कि दोनों में से जो हमें इंडक्टेंस मिलेगा वो मैक्सिमम किस केस में होगा. ओके, सो इफ़ वी राइट द फॉर्मूला, सो इन द सीरीज एयरिंग जो एल इक्विवेलेंट का जो फॉर्मूला था, इट वाज L1 L2 माइनस ऑफ m स्क्वायर अपॉन L1 प्लस L2. अगर एयरिंग है देन वी हैव टू राइट माइनस ऑफ 2m. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ अपोजिंग, एल इक्विवेलेंट फॉर्मूला इज गिवन बाय L1 L2 माइनस ऑफ m स्क्वायर बाय L1 plus L2. So for opposing or differential we have to write plus 2m. Okay, so now we want the maximum value of L equivalent. So अगर इसकी maximum value चाहिए, so if you see the numerator in both the cases same. Okay, so अगर हमें L equivalent की maximum value चाहिए, then the denominator has to be minimum. So if you observe the denominator function of both these equation, you will observe that here it is minus sign. So because of this minus sign, this value it will be less. Okay, so it means series sorry parallel airing में क्या है, अगर हम ये वाला formula use करेंगे, then we will be getting the maximum value of net inductance. So we will be using this formula, because अगर denominator कम है then only we will get the maximum values of the net inductance. So this will be equal to L1 into L2. So L1 value we have obtained as 8 milli henry, and mutual inductance value we have obtained as 2 milli henry. So this will be equal to 8 into 8 minus of m value is 2 square divided by 8 plus 8 minus of 2 into 2. So this will be equal to 64 minus of 4, this is 16 minus 4. Okay, so this is equal to 60 divided by 12, so this is 5 milli henry. Okay, so this is maximum net inductance possible in the parallel connection, and answer is 5 milli henry, so that is option B is correct. So now let us see the last question of today's lecture. So question is, in the given circuit below, we have to calculate the resonant frequency. So we have to find out in hertz. So we know that the resonant frequency, it is given by the formula 1 by 2 pi root L into C. So if you see this circuit, यहाँ पे क्या है, we have two inductor and also they are mutually coupled. So यहाँ पे you will get L equivalent and there is single capacitor, so you have to write C. So now our aim is to find out L equivalent. Okay, so सबसे पहले हमें L equivalent calculate करना है. So if you observe both these inductor, okay, so if you mark this current, so current क्या है, for this first inductor it is entering this first dotted terminal and second inductor के लिए भी क्या है, वो first जो करंट एंटर होगा वो डॉटेड टर्मिनल पे. इट मीन दोनों में क्या है, सेम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. इट मीन सीरीज एडिंग में है. सो जो एल इक्विवेलेंट है, इट इज़ गिवन बाय L1 प्लस L2 प्लस 2 इंटू एम, बिकॉज इट इज़ सीरीज aiding connection is given. Okay, so L1 value is 2 and L2 value is also 2 plus 2 into mutual inductance value is 1. So L equivalent we are getting as 6 Henry. So now if we substitute this value, then F naught we are getting as 1 by 2 pi. Okay, L equivalent value we have obtained as 6 and capacitance value is 2. So if we simplify this expression, it will be equal to 1 by 2 pi, this is root 12. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by 2 pi root 12 is 2 root 3. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 pi root 3 and this is in hertz. So option B is correct. Okay. So with this question we have completed network analysis and synthesis subject. So हमने सारी 5 units cover की, plus additionally I have provided you some miscellaneous topics like resonance and magnetically coupled circuit. So still you have some doubt, you can post in the comment section, I will answer them. और वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.